He's no stranger to the talent show circuit and drawing for gimmicks that might rub some the wrong way. But Kaseeno set on proving there's way more than meets the eye.
On-time rising stars and Kings of Queen of dancehall contestant, his look and sound taking flight on social media. A far cry from competition days.
The last time we met, Rising Stars auditions in Maypen.
So take away the flowers that you gave me.
Interesting.
But you're only
All right, you ready?
imitation.
Well, I don't really love that so much. Yes, well, Kaseeno, a shadow of his former self.
I'ma do this.
Considering this is what he used to look like.
I'ma do this.
Sort of saying, if you don't succeed, bleach and come again.
Everything is about the right time. As I'm on the perfect time in rhythm, I think God is doing something special.
Perfect timing, producer Troyton's rhythm. Kaseeno's introduction coming via his pal, Corey.
He was convinced at first that Troyton is gonna like my songs, my image and everything. And I just go along with it. And the first time I met Troyton, all I had was to sing his one line.
He can sing and he also can DJ. It was really based on that.
But Kaseeno also coming from the grill to Kingston with unnaturally pale skin and 2 bumps on an otherwise squeaky clean paint.
Back in the grill, right? I found myself in a spot where it was just the house and the beehive. The beehive was my neighbor. I had no light there. I wanted no light there. I didn't use the phone over there. It was just me, the birds, the bees, and God.
And a burning ambition apparently to create a bigger buzz.
There was where I created Kaseeno as my new brand.
Baby, come over. Yeah, come over. Come closer, we no got corona.
Music is not just music. Plus, I love to make people laugh. And they thought it was Shrek, but oh no, it's Jamaica Superman.
Using super effective bleaching cream. Why I didn't recognize you because of the Rising Stars thing is that you were a black guy then. You're not a black guy anymore?
Fully black, I was.
What happened? Why you decided to bleach? This is a hardcore bleach you're using. It's only the lips left.
Honestly, people have been asking me for my formula, right? And the bleaching comes when I realize that I need to lift my personality a little. You know, I need to change the way I look in some ways. You know, I need people to see me, one glance, and see me, because sometimes you can be doing the best songs and people are just not paying attention to the song. They're paying attention to the person. And if they don't like the way you look, then it's gonna be a big problem for you musically. So Kaseeno looks work.
You had to bleach your skin to get people to take you seriously, to give you a listen?
Not only that, I have to pep up the hair. I have to get it into a new old character. Now I'm living on the stage.
And soaring on Instagram in his Superman outfit. Okay, it's all a bit gimmicky, but then he's been around. No time to waste.
Honestly, I think me as a person, as a mutant, I have to mutate to whatever is catchy to the younger folks. And as you can see, I'm not young, you know, so I have to do a lot of things too.
Superman not in bad shape at 45.
Oh boy, I know this question is gonna come. Why you have to ask it though?
I have to ask because, you know, grown-ups don't do this sort of stuff. The thing about a gimmick or a look is that really it has a short lifespan. You know, people kind of want you to come with something. You have the goods, Kaseeno?
Hey, I've been waiting for this one. Big man thing. And me I gear this in a patwa. Me a bad artist. Real bad artist. People are gonna be surprised to know how tough an artist I am. Lovers Rock, you know, you name it. I write every music, including country and western. And when I do sing those songs, people think I'm not from Jamaica.
So why up to this point has that been such a big secret?
I just haven't got the platform.
He has real talent, and I have some songs with him. I have songs. The world will hear it, I know. He's really talented.
Thumbs up to the perfect timing, because it's all boils down to the perfect timing.
Beneath the bleached appearance and the kind of Superman outfit and, you know, all of the crazy stuff, who are you really? What are you about?
I'm just a person who love to make people laugh, so they're kind of like giving me the joy of my life. All right, before I became white, right, I wore this hairstyle and people laugh. And the first thing I said was, hey, glad I could put a smile on your face. And I've never changed that line. I'm so happy when I see people smiling, even if they're laughing out loud, even if they're rolling on the ground. It's because of me why they're smiling.
The joke lost on some, rubbed raw by bleaching.
If it's your choice, you're a human being. You choose what you want to do in life. And what I'm doing is because I'm happy with it, right? And I think everyone should be happy with themselves. As I said, I love being different. And my character, maybe the looks, the image that I have, may be the hot topic right now. But the songs are going to change everything.
But why would having lighter skin open doors or change things in a positive direction for you? That's what I can't quite understand.
I don't know, man. You have to ask the public. Because they're the one that is doing this, not me.
By the way, what kind of product you're using? And it's a full body thing. You apply this everywhere. You're fully bleached.
I'm fully bleached. Fully bleached with a Superman S on my chest.
Is this shot at fame worth it?
My face was damaged. I was in an accident. It's not a car accident, but I was in this building. And they were actually spraying the building, not realizing that I was there at a window looking out. All I could see was smoke coming into my face. Seriously. That happened in 2014, June.
And what happened to your face as a result of that?
It was like the skin of a frog. From here, all the way around here. The doctors, they ordered me to use some form of bleaching cream from back then. Because if you look at that dark skin picture that I have, that wasn't me also. I have to burn myself in the sun for the rest of my skin to become as black as the front of my face, to blend in.
Me want touch you. Me can't take a social distance. Internet me say I'm in a response.
His Baby Come Over to be followed by a newly voiced Superman track, which Triton's working to finish at the speed of light.
I'm Superman.
Kaseeno itching to take off with that one too.
I've always have a problem, Anthony. People don't think I'm the one who write my songs. From the very start, from Prove My Love on the M16 rhythm, Computer Paul Bootcamp. I wish I could fly away, find the right words to say. Anthony, when me start sing, them have to go clear away. You understand? When me start sing, them have to go clear the way. I'm born for this. Born for it.